If you'd like to learn how to draw a panda that looks a little more like the real thing with a large face and cute body, then this might be just the lesson you are looking for. It also includes their favorite thing to eat, bamboo. Follow along with me and I'll show you how easy it is to do. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The only supplies you need for this project are a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. You may also find a link for this free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. And here's the step where I remind you that I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all my tutorials and they really help you plan where to draw. Okay, let's begin with the head. It's pretty big and is pointed on the sides, so make dots to plan how wide it is, and then slowly connect those dots with two lines that curve down and meet in the middle. We can finish that shape now by placing our pencil on top and drawing one curved line down to one side and then a matching one to the other. Next come the two ears. There's one on the left and a matching one on the right. The panda arms are pretty simple. We begin by drawing a slight curved line on the right side, and then let's make a matching one on the left side. To finish those arms, draw a curved line on the bottom and add the inside lines like I'm doing here. The right leg begins with a curved line and a skinny oval, and then a line at the bottom. The left leg is drawn the same way with the top line and skinny oval and bottom edge. The last touch for that body is to add two belly lines between the arms. Okay, now on to the face. We need to start with two small circles for the eyes. Then eye patches are added around those eyes, one on the right and a matching one on the left. And to finish the face, a small nose in the center and a smiling mouth underneath. And just for fun, let's add a little tuft of fur on the top of its head. Now, to put the panda in an environment that it would like, let's add a stalk of bamboo on the left, including just a few leaves. And maybe a couple more stalks on the right. They're pretty easy to draw. They're just long sticks that have segment lines inside and then a few leaves attached on the sides. Finally, a horizon line in the background will let us divide the ground and the sky. Okay, it's time to get out that black marker and trace all of our pencil lines so we can see them really well. When the tracing is done, I always recommend taking a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now it's coloring time. I'm going to get out that black crayon and start filling in all the things that are black. The bamboo needs to be a light green color. And I think I'll color that ground in brown so it looks like dirt. And the sky is my favorite color of light blue. So that is how you can draw a panda with a big cute face sitting down and looking right back at you. I hope you like how yours turned out too. When you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more animal projects, including one for an elephant and a butterfly. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out.